Hello everyone, and welcome home to 1097 East Hickory Hill Road in Argyle, Texas. I am thrilled to introduce you to this stunning Mediterranean-style estate that offers luxury and privacy on this wooded 4.75-acre property. Offering nearly 4,800 square feet of luxurious living space, this home offers 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths in the main house, and an additional 1 bedroom and 1 bath in the cabana. The Saltillo tile floors on the main level, a gourmet kitchen featuring a SubZero refrigerator and expansive island, and a grand living space with Pella windows and doors create an inviting yet sophisticated atmosphere. Additional features include a huge laundry room with a built-in sink and shower, and a 3-car garage with stairs leading to extra storage space. This home is a unique blend of luxury, comfort, and thoughtful design, all in a picturesque setting. Upstairs, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 baths, a cedar closet, and a massive game room designed with soundproofing for the ultimate home theater or music studio. The game room's thick foam walls and padded carpet make it an ideal space for everything from family movie nights to a full band jam session. Exterior of this estate is as impressive as the interior, with a fully fenced yard, gated entrance, and a circle drive leading to the home. The lush landscape features multitudes of different majestic trees, providing both beauty and shade. Outdoors, you'll find a resort-style pool with a cascading waterfall, a cozy outdoor fireplace, and an outdoor grill, perfect for entertaining or enjoying quiet evenings with family. Zoned to top-rated Argyle ISD and minutes from Liberty Christian, this home perfectly blends privacy with convenience. To schedule your private tour, contact me, Stephanie Wilson with Magnolia Realty.